Hey guys, it's Megan and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul that I'm so excited about because I found something that was on my wish list and it took me all day. I went to so many Dollar Trees just to find this one item that I will show you at the end. But I also ended up finding some things that I wasn't expecting to find that I'm super excited about. Before we get into the haul, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you love Dollar Tree hauls, and if you're new, I would love to have you subscribe. If I'm talking a little bit quiet, it's because it's late at night and my daughter is sleeping and she's like one room away, so just bear with me. But I also, oh my gosh, I have a giveaway at the end I will share as well. I'm so excited. I'm actually giving away two little like package things. I'll share it all with you at the end of the video. First, let's go ahead and just get into the things that I picked up today. This is all from one Dollar Tree. I will leave down below which Dollar Tree it is for any of you guys in the Orlando area. I get asked a lot which Dollar Trees I get certain things from, so this is the one in College Park, but I will leave that address listed down below in the information area. Okay, the first thing that I found that I was really excited to find, I've seen people haul this for a while now and just none of my stores got it, and it's this little picture frame. I think this is so cute, especially if you're hosting any like holiday parties or anything. You can put a little menu here or any kind of like a welcome thing. You can paint this and make it whatever color you want. I just think it's so great for, you know, displaying different things and especially for little parties. So I picked up a couple of these. The next thing, I've never seen a Dollar Tree before, I don't think. And if I have, it was a long time ago and I had no need for it, or I felt like I didn't need it, but now I feel like I definitely need it and I'm so excited about it. So it is this candle snuffer. How cute is this? I mean, I've never even heard of that term, candle snuffer, but it's so cute. I don't really feel like you need something like this because you could just blow it out. But, you know, if you want to feel a little bit fancy with it, this is so cute. So they had it in black. They also had it in this like coppery rose gold color. And then they also had it in like a regular gold color as well. Also thought that those would be really cute to add in if you're giving gifts for Christmas that are like a candle or something like that. That might be kind of cute to add in as well. Just a thought, but I just thought it was too cute to pass up, and I'm going to like display it out with my little candles. I think it'll be really cute. The next thing I found I've never seen before. I actually thought it was like a picture, but it is this thin flashlight. It's so thin. Look at it. Like, that is so thin. So it says try me. I was like, bam, look at that. How crazy is that? It's the tiniest little flashlight ever. So this is what it looks like out of the package, and it's like a, I don't know, like a plasticky, vinyl-y material. I don't even know how you describe this, but how freaking cute is that? I thought that this would be perfect if you need to put it in like a glove box in your car, or like a center console, or even in your purse. This would fit very well. I don't see anywhere where you could like change the battery where you could open this. So I'm guessing once it's dead, it's dead. But for $1, I figured might as well go ahead and give it a shot. I mean, it's just so cute and little and thin. It's the craziest flashlight I've ever seen. In my last Dollar Tree haul, I shared a lot of Bolero stuff that I found. I've been collecting a few more things so I can have a gift basket kind of thing, or, you know, it's not really a gift basket, but I'm going to donate to a women's shelter here in Orlando. And then I'm also going to do a Bolero giveaway. Hopefully I'll be able to get that giveaway situated for next week. But again, there is still a giveaway at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Bolero stuff I found today though, I hadn't really seen before, I don't think. This one is the Cranberry and Sweet Orange Paper Facial Mask. So it's just like one of those like sheet masks. And I found it in the coconut cream and vanilla as well. I also found some of the facial wipes in the coconut cream and vanilla. And then what I haven't seen before is this coconut cream and vanilla foot scrub. I thought this was super interesting sounding. I want to try it out. I got this for me. I didn't see any others of this foot scrub while I was there. So if I find any more of the foot scrub, I will add that into the upcoming giveaway. But I definitely wanted to give this a shot. I also picked up a card for my husband because our anniversary is Saturday, December 1st. So we're doing a little staycation. We're going and staying at the Portofino at Universal. We love that hotel. We'll be married 11 years. So, you know, had to pick up an anniversary card. I also found this adorable unicorn box. How cute is it? It looks like this on the side, and it's just one of those boxes that you open and it's empty on the inside. They had this in a couple different sizes, but I thought my daughter would absolutely love this. She could put it on her desk, store little things in there. So cute, and I thought this would be perfect because this size would fit in her stocking. So I'm going to obviously put that in her stocking. I just thought it was so cute though. I couldn't pass it up. So if you have any little unicorn lovers in your life, this is such a cute box. Along with the whole unicorn feel and vibe, I found this little pin that is a unicorn, purple. They had a couple other colors, but purple is my daughter's favorite color, so I thought this would be cute to also add into her stocking. Oh my gosh, I was so excited when I found these next things. I hit like the rose gold office supply jackpot. I found these rose gold, what are they calling it? They're calling it metallic rose colored. These rose gold binder clips. So cute. These rose gold push pins, these rose gold paper clips that are just like regular style paper clips. And then I also found these rose gold, like the design is a little bit different on the paper clip. It's so cute. I was so excited to find these. They're so cute. I can't wait to use them. I also finally found these incense stick holders. I've seen now multiple people use these as DIYs and make like little skis for, you know, Christmas decor, and I thought that was such a cute idea. So I went ahead and got 2 of these to make a little ski as well. The next thing that I found was not in like the Christmas area, it was more in where the vases are and the glasses, not glasses, but like, you know, the vases and the frames and stuff like that. However, I'm going to use them for Christmas decor, and it's just these little balls, and they're sparkly, but I don't know what they're made of. They're not plastic. And I just thought they were really elegant looking. They also had it in silver. I thought these would be really pretty, maybe sprinkled on a dining table, around some garland, or like in a little bowl as decoration. So I got 6 of these because I just thought they were so pretty. I couldn't pass it up. However, I did break one of them. God, it fell out of my car. I was so bummed. I'm still gonna use it. I'm still gonna use it. I'm just gonna like lay that one this way. Okay, I also found some things I think would be a great little stocking stuffer, or if you have a friend or family member that you're giving a bottle of champagne or wine to, or any wine lover. They have these cute little like wine things that you stick in, you know, your wine so it doesn't go bad. I don't know if it really works from keeping it from going bad, but it's super cute. So my like 3 best friends all love like champagne and wine like I do. So I'm getting each one of them some champagne or wine to go along with their Christmas present. So I thought this would be super cute to also give along with that. So this one says wine and friends make a good blend or great blend, something like that. I thought that was super cute. This one says cheers. I couldn't pass that one up. I thought that was really cute as well. I just wish the writing was in red because it's just more Christmassy, but you know, you could use this at any time of the year. I think it's super cute. And then this one says Livin' Lush, which, you know, like I thought that was cute to go along with wine. So I'm so happy I found these. I also found this really pretty black gift box. It is, I don't know, there's something about it that drew me to it, but it has this kind of little bit, it's like a textured look to it. They also had this box in other colors. They had it not really in Christmassy colors. They had like a really pretty blue, like teal, or like aqua color, and a purple, and I don't remember what other color. And I'm probably just going to use this as decor, so I love it. I also picked up these LED Christmas lights. I wanted something that had color to put inside of a wreath for my front door. I also found these off on the shelf little, it comes with 2 pencils and 2 erasers. I think they're just so cute. This is what this one looks like. And then this, my daughter is obsessed with our elf and everything about her. I'm pretty sure she would love to have these and use these at school. So I went ahead and just got these for her so she can have them now and use at school. I also picked up these little zipper bags. They're, what, I think there's like 40 in here. Yeah, 40. I thought these would be cute to use in my daughter's lunch for the little things that I would use Ziploc baggies for. I thought she would like these. They're a good size, so I had to grab them. Picked up some more paper plates. Not impressed with their paper plates at this point. I've only seen 3 patterns, and this is the best out of the 3, I think. But I need Dollar Tree to get some more cute paper plates ASAP. Recently I shared on my channel some red truck DIYs using Dollar Tree loot bags, and I love how they turned out, and I think that this loot bag would actually work even better. This red truck, I showed it in the footage from the store, but this red truck is so much more vibrant than the other loot bag. So I wish I would have found this one before, but this is the first time I've seen this bag in my stores. I might do another one and see if it turns out any better. I love the other ones though. I think they turned out super cute. Perfect for like little decoration here and there, but I'm definitely going to go ahead, I think, and try another one with these loot bags as well. I also picked up this really pretty gift bag. I just thought that the like colors on it, and it's just very Christmassy and wintry and magical. I thought that this would be pretty to frame, especially to poke some holes and add some fairy lights possibly inside the frame with it. Would be so pretty. I just love it. So, so pretty. I also found this gift bag and thought to do the same thing, maybe put them side by side in a hallway or something. Just again, another very pretty wintry Christmas look. I just love it. It feels magical. So the last thing I picked up was like the whole reason for me even going to Dollar Tree today. Yesterday I was at Dollar Tree. I ran in there real quick to pick up something that I needed for my brother's house. I've been decorating his house, and I saw these as I was leaving. So I had already checked out and I saw them. I'm like, oh my god, those are cute. And then on the way home, I kept thinking about them. So I stopped by one more Dollar Tree that was right on my way home, and I went in there to grab them and they didn't have them. I was like, no. So I kept thinking about them all night, and then I woke up thinking about them. I'm like, all right, I've got to go find these today. I called so many stores. One store told me they had 3 boxes. I drove like 25 minutes out of the way, got there, turned out they didn't even have them, and I was about to go home, and I called 2 more Dollar Trees, and the last one said that they had a whole bunch left. So I drove another 25 minutes the other way to go grab them, and they are these little solar lantern lights that look like Christmas lights, you know. They're so freaking cute. I couldn't even handle it. I immediately thought that these would be so cute on my porch in like containers with flowers and put them around there. I didn't even care if they didn't light up well, because I just thought they'd be really cute during the day sticking up out of the plants. But when I got home, I put them in some of the planters outside. I will insert a clip of it, and the lights came on and they just look so pretty at night too. I'm so excited. I bought 25 of these, and my husband's like, you should have bought more. So I think I'm gonna try and go back tomorrow and get a few more, because they just look so dang cute. I don't know how well they're going to like get recharged and continue to light, so I'm going to, you know, kind of see from today to tomorrow. But even if they don't continue to light up, I think that, again, that they're so cute if you want to add them into little planters around your house, or I mean outside of your house, or, you know, line a driveway or anything like that. There's so many different things that you could do with them. I just think that they're so cute. These are the only colors that they come in, and I am just so excited that I found them. Now, I bought 25 of them, and of those 25, these 4 did not light up. So I'm going to put these out in the direct sun tomorrow and see if they work. So, you know, that's kind of luck of the draw, I guess, with these solar lights. But even if these 4 don't end up working, again, they're cute as decor. So I'm so excited that I found these. I was just like over the moon. That's them in one of my little plants right there. That's them around this palm tree. It looks so cute. I'm so excited about it. Obviously, I could get some more in line all the way back. I am so obsessed. I have them over here in this planter as well. It looks so pretty. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with them. I'm so excited. Look at the little color. Oh! So that is everything I picked up at Dollar Tree this go around. It's giveaway time. I'm so excited to finally be able to do 2 giveaways. I know it's not a huge giveaway, but I did my best trying to find stuff that a lot of you guys have been looking for. So this is the first giveaway. I have these little fairy lights, this gorgeous wine bag that I loved, that so many of you guys said that you loved too, Merry Christmas truck, the Let It Snow sign, one of these red truck little circular ones. I'm throwing in a couple loot bags in case you want to do the DIY that I did with these loot bags. I also have this red truck box, that's so cute, and then this red truck box as well. So this is everything in the first giveaway, and the second giveaway is exactly the same, except instead of this sign, I have this sign. So again, everything's exactly the same, it's just a different sign. All you have to do to be entered in the giveaway is be a subscriber and make sure to give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment letting me know which giveaway you want to be entered in, whether it's giveaway A with the Let It Snow sign or giveaway B with the red truck sign. And if you want an additional entry, follow me over on my Instagram. It is Megan Navarro, just my name. Unfortunately, I cannot do an international giveaway at this time, so you do have to have a United States shipping address. Thank you so much to everyone that leaves me such sweet comments and supports my channel and enjoys the content that I put up there. It really means the world to me. I'm so appreciative to have all of you in my life. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!